Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Khalid and I want to share a small personal story with you all. So when I was in college, there was a session on communication skills which was happening in my college. And on that day, as I entered the hall in which the session was happening, I met Coach APM there for the very first time. And I just want to tell you that there was something about the session which kind of hooked me. And surprisingly, I attended the complete 5 day session after that. And why I am using the word surprisingly, because in my college time I was quite reluctant towards these sessions. I didn't really want to attend these kind of sessions. But on that day I decided that I will attend the complete 5 day sessions. The best part about the communication skills training by Coach APM was that he was not just touching the surface of communication skills. He was working with the root cause of the problem that we were having with respect to communication skills, and which helped us a lot in our career. It really helped me in my career. And after that time also, I was in touch with Coach APM, and now you will be surprised to know I have improved that much that now I am working with Coach APM. Now I am working with Coach APM as a trainer. I am a part of his team now. Okay, so that was a story which I just wanted to share about my association with Coach APM now. Thank you so much.